Kawai ka jingja ka bathamula la jaha kawai ka restaurant bala ai ka teng ka iskons govinda ka bade ka restaurant ka bala pin krek nang tang na ka benta ki pat ba bam do ha ka ba uwe unong UK uba ka tenrai jong u ka de na Afrika ula rung ha ka te ka restaurant bat ula kali la ki dondo na em hadien bala ya thu ba ka te ka restaurant ka de ka bala bu tang ki jing bam bala yo na ki chur bat ba kim dondo uniu briu ula se ya ka sinduk KFC bala thep ya ka Dohsyiar bat ula bam ya ka hapo ka take restaurant hadien kani labe no ya utoi brio na ka take restaurant.
What is it? Oh my god, Prabhu, go outside please.
Draw some. Draw some. Hi, is this a vegan restaurant?
Yes.
No. So there's no meat, no nothing.
No meat, no onion, no garlic.
Are you sure like there's no meat? Okay. Okay. It's a tip. Okay. Okay, well, in that case.
What is it? Oh my god, Prabhu, go outside please. Prabhu, go outside. Please.
What do you want?
He's eating chicken here.
No, that's the vegetarian shop. We can't eat him. Get out.
Draw some. Draw some. Draw some. Draw some. Chicken.
You don't do Yeah, are you enjoying this? This is a business shop.
Excuse me, you're actually violating somebody's religion. This is not fair.
Bring the chicken.
Nobody's listening to you.
What is it? Oh my god, Prabhu, go outside please. Prabhu, go outside. Please.
What do you want?
He's eating chicken here.
No, that's the vegetarian shop. We can't eat him. Get out.
Draw some. Draw some.